Welcome back to Amazing World Facts. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the weirdest corners of our own celestial neighborhood, our solar system. You might think you know the sun and the planets, but trust me, there are bizarre, mind-blowing, and downright alien things happening out there. From diamond rains on distant worlds to planets spinning so fast they bulge at the equator. Get ready for 15 of the weirdest, wildest facts about our solar system. So, buckle up and let's blast off into the weirdness. Let's dive into a planetary oddball, Venus. Unlike most planets, Venus spins the other way. On Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Even stranger, a day on Venus takes 243 Earth days. But a year on Venus is just 225 Earth days. So, a day on Venus is longer than its year. Talk about confusing calendars. You'd think the planet closest to the sun would be a fiery wasteland, and you'd be mostly right. But here's the twist. Mercury has ice. How? Mercury has no atmosphere to trap heat. So while daytime temperatures soar to 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, the poles, which remain in constant shadow, can dip to minus 180 degrees Celsius, minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. These permanently shadowed craters harbor water ice, protected from the sun for billions of years. Did you know Earth isn't the only planet with volcanoes? Jupiter's moon Io takes it to a whole new level. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, with hundreds of volcanoes constantly erupting. Some eruptions shoot lava and sulfur over 300 miles into space. Why? It's all thanks to tidal heating. Jupiter's immense gravity squeezes and stretches Io. This generates enough heat to melt its interior. Did you know Saturn could float in a bathtub? Yep, if you could find one big enough. Saturn's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, making it the least dense planet in our solar system. Its average density is less than water, only 0.69 grams per cubic centimeter. So, if you had an ocean big enough, Saturn would bob like an enormous beach ball. Isn't space just full of surprises? Neptune, the icy giant at the edge of our solar system, home to the fastest winds ever recorded, over 1,300 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Strangely, Neptune gets very little solar energy. So, where does all that storm energy come from? Scientists are still trying to figure it out. Most planets spin upright, but not Uranus. It's tilted 98 degrees, rolling on its side around the sun. This tilt creates bizarre seasons. 42 years of sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness at each pole. The cause? A mystery, possibly a massive ancient collision. Uranus, the oddball of our solar system. Yes, you heard that right. On Neptune and Uranus, it might literally rain diamonds. Their atmospheres are filled with methane, and under extreme pressure and heat, carbon atoms compress into diamond crystals, which then fall like hailstones. Laboratory experiments on Earth have even recreated this phenomenon. So if you're looking for galactic jewelry, you know where to go. Earth has Mount Everest, but Mars has Olympus Mons, a volcano so big, it's the tallest in the solar system. It stands at 22 kilometers, 13.6 miles, tall. That's nearly 3 times taller than Everest. And it's not alone in its weirdness. Nearby lies Valles Marineris, a canyon system that dwarfs our Grand Canyon. It stretches 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles, long and plunges 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles deep. Beneath Jupiter's clouds lies something truly alien, an ocean of metallic hydrogen. At extreme pressures inside Jupiter, hydrogen behaves like a metal, conducting electricity. This bizarre ocean may even contribute to Jupiter's enormous magnetic field, the largest of any planet. For years, astronomers have noticed strange gravitational effects in the outer solar system. Some believe this is caused by a mysterious Planet 9, a Neptune-sized planet orbiting far beyond Pluto. But so far, we've never seen it. If it exists, it would take 10,000 to 20,000 years to orbit the Sun once. Here's a fun reality check. Everything in the solar system, planets, moons, asteroids, comets, all together make up just 0.14% of its total mass. The Sun is the boss, containing 99.86% of the entire solar system's mass. It generates energy through nuclear fusion, converting 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second. The Sun truly is the powerhouse of our cosmic neighborhood. Even though Pluto's been demoted from planet status, it's still full of surprises. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew by Pluto and found a giant heart-shaped glacier. This glacier, named Tombaugh Regio, is made of nitrogen ice and is incredibly young. This suggests Pluto may still be geologically active. Despite its frigid distance from the Sun, Pluto continues to intrigue and surprise us with its mysterious and dynamic nature. Beyond Pluto lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast ring of icy bodies. But just past this belt, something strange happens. There's a sudden drop-off in objects, known as the Kuiper Cliff. It's like the solar system just runs out of stuff. Scientists don't know why this happens. It could hint at an unseen force, maybe even that mysterious Planet 9 we mentioned earlier. Saturn's icy moon Enceladus is hiding something amazing, a subsurface ocean beneath its frozen shell. And it's not just speculation. Enceladus sprays water vapor, ice, and organic molecules into space through massive geysers at its south pole. These geysers feed Saturn's E-ring, and they may even harbor microbial life. NASA is already planning missions to find out.
Did you know our solar system has a tail just like a comet? As the Sun journeys through the galaxy, it pulls along a bubble of solar wind, known as the heliosphere. This bubble forms a long heliotail, stretching billions of kilometers into space. It's shaped by the dance between solar wind and interstellar material, shielding Earth from cosmic radiation. Isn't it amazing how our solar system travels with its own protective tail?
From diamond rains and sideways spinning planets to mysterious geysers and supersonic winds, our solar system is far from ordinary. These bizarre phenomena remind us that even in our own cosmic backyard, the universe is still full of secrets, wonders, and weirdness. If you enjoyed this cosmic tour of the strange and spectacular, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next mind-blowing video. And tell us in the comments, which fact about our solar system blew your mind the most? Until next time, keep looking up because space is full of surprises. This is Amazing World Facts, signing off.